and Saturday. Friday. Very good. All right. Let's move on to the months of the year. What is the first month we have in the year?
What's the first month of the year? We said January.
January. Good. February. Say with me. March. April. May. June. July. August. September. October. November. December. Good. All right. Parents, you all hear me? Parents, adults, can you all hear me?
Yes.
All right, I'm going to mute everybody because there is a lot of background noise and some children cannot hear me. So if your child has the answer, please let them raise their hands and I will unmute them. All right?
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. All right, so grade ones, let's go over that again. The months of the year, the first month of the year is January. Then we've got February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Now, if you have a look at the screen, there is a clue and it's telling you what month we are in now. Do you know what month we are in now? Raise your hand if you know what month we are in at the moment. What month are we in now?
April.
Selexo? What month are we in?
April.
April. Very good. Well done. All right, grade ones, let's move on. We're going to count from 1 to 20. Ready? Let's all count together, starting with 1.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What number comes after 10? 11. And then comes 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and the last number for today is 20. Good, well done. All right, don't forget to keep practicing your numbers and your counting every day. All right, let's count backwards from 20. 20, what number comes before 20? What number comes before 20?
19.
19. Good.
19.
19. And then we've got 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11,
10, 9, 8,
9, 8,
7,
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. And what happens to our rocket ship? We go blast off. Don't forget, our rocket ship goes blast off. Good, well done. All right, let's move on to counting in tens. So let's have a look at this number chart. All right, grade ones, I've had to mute everybody again. Please, we need to be very quiet. Some children cannot hear me. Okay? Good, so let's have a look at this number chart. We are going to count in tens. So let's go and have a look at this arrow. The arrow is going to show us where we are going to look and where we're going to find the numbers when we count in tens. So do you see all the numbers ending in a 0? It's on the far right-hand side of the number chart. Good, so we're going to count in tens, starting with the number 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. Good. So we're only going to count in tens up until 50. But if you are able to, or if you know how to count from 10 to 100 in tens, you are more than welcome to do so. But we're only going to practice counting in tens from 10 to 50. So let's see. Who knows how to count in tens up until 50? Raise your hand. I'll unmute you, and then you can do that for the class.
On to count up to 100.
Mercy, go for it.
Yes.
10, 12, 20, 30, 40, 50.
Well done. Very good. Well done. Good job. All right, so there we've got a grade 1 learner who counted in tens from 10 all the way to 50. Now let us all do that again as a class. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And just a trick question, what number comes after 50 if we count in tens? 60. Great, well done. All right, let's move on to our revising number names. So remember last week we revised all our number names. We learned about the number names 1 to 10. Good. Now let's see if you can read the number names on the screen. What number name have we got there? 1. Good. 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. 6, 7, 8, 9, and what is the last number name we learnt about? 10. Very good. Right, so you're all able to read the number names and you're also able to write the number names. Well done, grade ones. You're all working so hard. All right, so now let's go and have a look at bead lines. And now some of you are saying, but Ro, what are bead lines? So let's have a look. We're going to pretend that this white line is a string. And these round circles with numbers that are popping up on the screen are beads. Have you seen this before? Have you seen these bead lines before?
Yes.
Good. Okay. So now on your piece of paper, grade ones, I'd like you to copy the bead line on your page. So you're going to draw a line with 10 circles. And in that circles, you're going to write the numbers from 1 to 10. Okay, so copy the bead line, have a look at the screen. And I want you to copy the bead line. And don't forget to write the numbers in your circles. Good. So once you're done, I want you to raise your hands so I can see how many children are done. Please remember that I have muted everybody because of all the background noise and some children cannot hear me. Good. So don't forget, raise your hand when you are done.
When you're done,
Please don't worry if you've made a mistake. You can just rub it out. Terence Smuts is done. Good. Well done. All right. We'll just give a few more seconds for the rest of them to finish up.
I have to pick that.
Bukhle is done. Well done.
It's not okay. The people are done. You know the numbers since
Leah's done. Very good. Well done. All right. So let's have a look. Now I want you to put your pencils down and I want your eyes to be on the screen. Have a look. All right, so let's have a look. We can also get bead lines going from 10, counting down to 1. Okay, so can you see that the red bead line is counting from 1 up until 10, and the blue bead line is counting from 10 and is going backwards from 10 to 1. Good. So now on your page, you should have your date and you should have the bead line exactly the same as the red one. Now let's have a look. I want you to look at this bead line on the screen and raise your hand if you know which beads are missing. So to help you, have a look at the bead line that you drew on your page and have a look at the purple bead line on the screen and see which beads are missing. If you know the answer, raise your hand so that I can unmute you and you give me the answers. Sean?
Oops.
Sean H? Have you got the answers? I see you've raised your hand. Does anybody else have the answers for us? Remember to raise your hand if you've got the answer. Tiang?
3.
3 and?
9.
Very good. 3 and 9. Good job. Well done. Now let's go to the next bead line. Now there are many missing. So have a look at your bead line on your page Have a look at the light blue bead line on the screen. Look carefully. Once you've got the answers, I will unmute you so you can give us the answers. All right, I see Franklin has the answer. Good. Mercy and Tibogo. Yes, tell us the answers.
9 and 10.
3, 4, 9, and 10. Very good. Well done, grade ones. All right, let's have a look at the green bead line. Have a look carefully and see which numbers are missing.
I know it. 1,
Good.
1, 3, 5, 9, 9, 10. 9.
Good. 1, 3, 5, 8, and 9. Good job. Well done, grade ones. Well done. All right. Now we've got the tricky one. That's counting backwards. So have a look at the yellow bead line. The yellow bead line is counting backwards from 10 to 1. So let's have a look and see. In the bead line that's counting backwards, which numbers are missing? In the orange bead line, have a look and see which numbers are missing. Aaliyah, which numbers are missing?
5 and 10 and 1.
5 and 1. Very good. 5 and 1. Good. Now let's have a look at the last bead line. That's counting backwards. And have a look and see which numbers are missing. Right, let's see if we can get another child to let us know. Who knows the answer? Tibogo?
Come, answer. Say which answer?
7,
Good.
3, 1.
Good. 7, 3, and 1. 1, 3, and 7. Very good. Well done. All right, so let's go and have a look and see. We are going to add some sweets. I know you all like sweets. Do you like sweets?
Yep.
Yes, you do. So let's have a look. We've got 3 sweets over here. And what sign is this? This is a plus sign. Good. So we are going to add 3 sweets plus 2 sweets. 3 sweets plus 2 sweets equals how many sweets, grade ones?
Continue.
5. Good. 5 sweets. Good. Now let's have a look at the writing the math sum. To write the math sum, you say 3 plus 2. Good. Equals 5. Very good. Now let's have a look at yummy cupcakes.
I
How
like
many
cupcakes.
cupcakes do you see on the screen?
This one, and this one.
How many cupcakes do you see on the screen? Raise your hand if you know.
Yeah, I'm very behind.
Mercy? Mercy, how many cupcakes do you see on the screen?
Nine.
5. Good. Now let's add 4 cupcakes. So we go 5 cupcakes plus 4 cupcakes equals how many cupcakes? Shanti has the answer in the chat group. Well done. 9 cupcakes. Good. 5 cupcakes plus 4 cupcakes equals 9 cupcakes. Good. So let's see how we write that sum. 5 plus 4 equals 9. Good. Well done. So there we've added some sweets and cupcakes. And now you know a little bit more about how to write the sum. Well done, grade 1s. Now you are going to add. So write the sum on your piece of paper and write the answer. When you've got the answer, I want you to raise your hand. I'll unmute you and you'll give us the answer. So the sum is 3 plus 2 equals, and then you'll give me the answer.
Yes, 3 plus 2. I know this sum.
3 plus 2 equals? What is the answer? 3 plus 2 equals?
Plus 2 equals 5.
5. Good. Let's have a look at the next sum. 1 plus 2 equals? 3. Good. Let's have a look at the yellow block sum. 4 plus 1 equals
5.
5. Very good. Let's have a look at the next sum. 1 plus 1 equals 2. Very good, grade 1s.
I want to write down the answer.
3 plus 1 equals
4.
4. Good. 4 plus 4 equals
Here.
8. Very good. Let's have a look at the beautiful pink one. 6 plus 0 equals
6.
6. Plus 3 equals 5. Grade 1, let's have a look at the light blue one. 4 plus 3 equals? 7. Good, Shanti. Good. 7. Let's have a look at the next sum. 7 plus 2 equals 9. Good. And the last sum for today. 5 plus 5 equals 10. Good. Well done. You guys are all super clever. And you're giving me the answers so fast. Well done, grade 1s. Let's go and have a look at collecting and organizing. Let's see what we are going to collect. What has popped up on the screen? Flowers, yes. So let's have a look. How many yellow flowers are there? How many yellow flowers do you see?
1.
1. Good. How many blue flowers do you see?
2.
2. Good. How many orange flowers do you see? 2. Well done. How many purple flowers are there? 1. Good. How many pink flowers are there? 2. Can you tell me how many flowers there are altogether? 8. Good. Well done. So now, can you all see that you have sorted the flowers out in their particular colors? So you sorted out all the yellow flowers, you sorted out the blue, the orange, the purple, and the pink. So you sorted them out according to their colors. All right. So I want you to practice doing that with your pencil crayons or your Cokies that you have at home. Sort them out in their particular colors and count how many there are. Count how many yellow there are, how many blue you've got, how many pink, or how many orange you have. Okay, so you're going to collect and sort your Cokies or your crayons. So you're going to practice collecting and organizing. Now it's your turn. Let's see what's on the screen. Delicious donuts. Do you like donuts? Yes, so delicious. How many pink donuts do you see? Write the answer on your page. So next to number 1, write the answer. Good. Let's move on to number 2. How many brown donuts do you see? So next to the number 2, write the answer. Good. Write number 3. So write number 3 in your column and write the answer. How many blue donuts do you see? Don't forget, you must write the answers on your page. Number 4, how many purple donuts do you see? And the last question, number 5, how many orange donuts do you see? Good, Elia. I see you writing the answers in the chat. Untitled, well done. I also see you doing that, but don't forget to write the answers on your page. Good. So as a class, let's go have a look. Let's go back to question 1. How many pink donuts do we all see?
Pink donuts.
2. Yes. Question 2. How many brown donuts do you see? 2. Good job. Number 3. How many blue donuts do you see? 1. Good. Number 4. How many purple donuts do you see? 4. Good. And the last question, how many orange donuts do you see? 3. Yes, so there we go. We've also sorted the different color donuts. So can you see you can collect and organize all sorts of things? Right. So well done, grade 1s. It was an awesome lesson and I hope you all enjoyed it. Did you all enjoy the lesson? Did you all learn something?
Yes.
Good. So my message for you today is always believe you can. So don't stop trying, all right? Always believe that you can do something. Never give up. Okay, so our next lesson is tomorrow morning at 8 a.m. and I'll see you there. And here is your little clue about what we'll be learning about tomorrow. Bye, grade ones, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Press its lower hand. So you lower your hand and the asking a question. They don't
No,
want to.
there's another one coming at the
Just try and make sure that